Okay, so welcome to the first Visual Basic 2008 tutorial. Before we begin getting into the coding, I'm going to show you how to download the program. So you go to www.microsoft.com/express/downloads. Now once you're there, you have two options. Right now there's a beta version of Visual Studio 2010. If you want to try the beta version 2010, you can, but right now I go with Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. So just click that, and then where it says download Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition, click free download, and then run. I've already installed it, so I won't do it again, but that's basically how you would download Microsoft Visual Studio 2008. Pretty simple, but I sort of make a video for anyone who has any problems with it. Once you've downloaded it, you can move on to my next tutorials where we'll get into coding, actually using the visual application and creating your first program.